Want to know how people in the USA are turning their everyday life stories into real income? Medium is one of the easiest platforms to start writing from home. And today, I will show you how to turn your experiences into cash. First, join the Medium Partner Program. Once accepted, you will earn money based on how much paying members in the USA and worldwide engage with your stories. The more time readers spend on your article, the more you get paid. Second, focus on real-life experiences. Authenticity is what readers love. Write about challenges you have overcome, lessons learned, or unique perspectives. Medium often boosts genuine stories, giving them exposure to thousands of readers across the USA. Third, promote your stories. Share them on social media, email lists, or communities. Medium rewards external traffic, so bringing in readers from outside, especially from the USA, can increase your earnings. Here's the secret weapon: AI story generation. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Claude can help you transform your personal experiences into polished articles. Just feed the AI a memory or event. For example, my first remote job in the USA, and it will generate a structured draft. You can then edit it to keep your authentic voice while saving time.